Hi everyone, Greg Davis here in Savannah at the MarineMax. I want to give you a quick look at a brokerage opportunity I'm taking in, a 2016 Scout 251 XS with a Yamaha 300. Has about 368 hours on it. It's in great shape. We just had it cleaned up. Full enclosed glass. Trim tabs, really smart boarding ladder by Scout, jack plate. I'm gonna climb up here real quick and give you a look inside. It's in really good shape. This one does not have electronics, so you can add a current up-to-date unit. It does have the live well in the leaning post. Give you a look up front real quick. Has a table, converts to a casting deck. All the cushions are in great shape. Place under the console here for a porta potty. Fish box up front. It is pre-wired for a trolling motor if you wanted to add one. Stereo upgrade. Give you a look at the back here. Back seating. These all flip up. Give you a good look at how the upholstery looks. There is a live well under that one also. If you'd like more information on this boat or any boat here at MarineMax in Savannah, feel free to give me a call, 912-525-0968. Thanks so much.